What's up, everyone? Welcome back to N54 Racing Channel. We're gonna start another series here. Get back to some N54 stuff. We've been doing some S58 stuff, some B58 stuff, but let's get back to what we're here for. We have Jonathan's 335 X Drive from New York here. This is the one that we picked up a while back. I'm wrapping things up on the motor, but I figured we'd make a video for him, and we're gonna start off by basically cleaning up this chassis. This engine bay is absolutely, as I told him, crusty as can be. So we got oil everywhere. I'm gonna go through all the hoses, see what we need to replace. We're gonna take the front end off here, this core support, get rid of any like miscellaneous bolts that are not needed. We'll vacuum up, we'll take the DME box out. Whatever we can remove, we'll remove. We're gonna do some wiring repair to this harness, and then just basically degrease this entire car. So I got Lewis here. He's gonna be taking off the front end so we can get started on this here. I'll update you as we go throughout the day. Alright, so here's a little quick strip down we just did. We removed both of these coolant lines were kind of swelled, so I took those out. So those will get replaced. I temporarily took out the AC lines just so we can have access here. As you can see, it is pretty grimy. I took the heat shield out. I tucked in the washer reservoir or washer filler neck just in there. We're probably going to relocate that anyways for the single turbo. We got the DME box out of here, so we're going to start by vacuuming, getting all the loose debris out of the way, and then we'll hit it with some degreaser and go to town with the power washer. All right, quick update. Got everything pretty much soaking in degreaser. Gave it a little scrub just to kind of loosen everything up. We're gonna hit it with the power washer now, and it's already looking a lot better.
Lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow.
All right, she's pretty much done with the cleanup. Took a lot of degreaser, a lot of pressure washing, a lot of scrubbing, but here she is. Definitely looking a lot better. So I think the next step on this car, I'm gonna get cracking on the engine block assembly. just gotta put everything back that we removed here for the cleaning. I gotta get all the hoses on order, everything that's swelled up. I believe, yeah, we're gonna replace this bottom hose here. I got some hoses over there. Clean up the AC lines, put the AC lines back in. See what suspension components we need here. And yeah, hopefully this thing will be back on the road within the next month or two. And yeah, I don't know if we'll do anything else to this today. We got a whole blizzard going on outside, so we gotta move some cars around. We're still trying to wrap up the tuning on this M4. We got this X3M here that we're doing some work to. But yeah, we'll leave it off here. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.